Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in our 1967 Chevy Chevelle hardtop. Of course, you know 1967 was one of the most popular years of the Chevelle, leading to its end at 1972. But anyway, as you do know, 1967 was the last year for this particular body style, then moving on to the coupe. But anyway, going to the one we have here featuring a perfect Le Mans blue exterior. I believe that's exactly what it was called. At the time, it was an actual color if you look on the trim tag of this vehicle. But anyway, featuring also the super sport style hood, having the rallies with the flat caps and white letter Cooper Cobra tires, still having its two round mirrors on the front and passenger side. Also, the nice thing about the 67 Chevelle is the fact that it was one of the years that still had the lovely little vent windows. I do wish they never took those away because that was really an iconic feature of the old classic car. But anyway, moving on to the inside, as you can see, we have a full-on black interior. Pretty much basic as you would see back in 1967. One of the best part is it is a bench seat, so you can fit more than just two people in the front. Also a column car, which is very unique to see on a 67 Chevelle. A lot of times people would change into a 4-speed manual or just have it as a regular floor shifter. Other than that, it has that fine vinyl material. Same for the back, as you can see. I can't turn around to actually look, but of course you can see we have two nice Pioneer speakers in the back, coming along to the old school Delco radio, which I have noticed they did add this little aftermarket Boss stereo system, so there is a unique way to use the radio. I just don't know how at this time. Other than that, you still got the old school 3-spoke steering wheel with the working horn. Very nice to see there. Other than that, let's move on to the nicest feature. Underneath the hood, featuring a 396 big block motor, sponsored by also headers, chrome valve covers, and a nice little chrome air cleaner featuring the 396 logo. I have not gone into the best part about the car. I know I said that earlier, but also featuring the 138 VIN code. So yes, folks, that does mean that this car was originally a true SS vehicle. Also featuring the 12-bolt rear end and also having the nice big supported frame underneath there. I do like the solid frames and the full frames versus the subframes. Other than that, it is a nice car to have. Drives pretty smooth, as I didn't have my hand on the wheel there a minute ago. But it is a fun little collector's piece. If you love cool cars like this, you should check out our website, skywayclassics.com. Take a look at our inventory. I'm sure you won't be disappointed if you drove this car or any car off our lot. But until then, we're just going to get this fine one turned around up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.